What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Land Sister Lifestyle. We doing some deep cleaning in the loft today. We got a huge snake problem. I have no babies and no eggs, so all my babies and all my eggs is gone. So we're gonna do a deep cleaning, and we're gonna catch that snake. That's what we're gonna do. So some of the tools I use, I know it's bad in here. They molten heavy. I already started cleaning that row. Look like a dead birdie right there. It is. I don't know how long he been in there. Deceased.
I think that little baby trying to get out. I think he's trying to get out. But Papa, how you birds
So,
jump? How you birds jump like this? How you jump
we got no babies, no eggs. So I'm gonna try to secure my loft. Make it snake proof. And clean it up. So deep cleaning, changing out all the nesting material, putting all the poo up. Give them a fresh home. I've been working nights, so it got out of control a little bit. So it's time to get it back right. Hit me in the comments, let me know how to catch a snake. What y'all think? A little saddleback bird, he don't come out. He be trying to come out. All right, gang, let me get back busy before the rain come. All the birds up there on the rooftop. I like to catch them flying in. See, can we get another one to fly in? Alright, they don't want to come. I don't want them over here anyway. Peace out, back to cleaning. Alright, gang, we got halfway done. Just got the nest boxes clean. A little saddleback hiding. Alright. Made a little improvement. I started using this scent beads and put some stuff in there to help keep the mosquitoes out and bugs. Is it really working? I don't know. Hey, what y'all doing with that? Whoa. Whoa. Alright. Now I'll come back in with some fresh nesting material. Alright. I don't want to scare the birds off too much. They just hanging out in here with me. I don't know why they not flying around. Might be a hawk or something out. Ain't working. Trying to give my babies a better life. Hopefully it keeps some bugs down, mosquitoes. But we hunting for the snake. We got to get that snake up out of here. He been hitting me hard. Haven't saw him. I know he big. That's all I know, because he eating some big birds. So, all my babies is gone. No eggs. I usually sitting on a couple eggs year round, but not now. All right, time for the floor. I'll hit y'all back and give you an update shortly. Peace out. All right, gang. I got it all cleaned up. I ran out of pine needles, but I got most of them in. I took the ladder out, but I mean, you know, it's better. It's clean. Now we gotta work on that snake. He wasn't in the law. See, the law kind of, you know, he ain't in here. He just come and visit like every 3 days. So down there, I gotta fix that gap at the bottom. I know the rats come in through that way, and make the snake trap. All right, gang. Thanks for watching. Let me know what I can do to make my loft better. And y'all saw the 5-gallon bucket, the cooler, the new watering supply. I guess it's working. It's working pretty good. Keep it on the outside, keep it clean. You know, just when it's extra hot, so they don't run out of water. So, peace out.